Today is Tuesday, 19th of July, 2022, ISMC, Yayasan Satipatthana Meditation Center, Bakum in Indonesia. During the Wasa retreat, third Dhamma talk. Today's topic is benefit of the Vipassana meditation. Benefit of the Vipassana meditation. In our Buddha Kuru division, Kamata Dhamma, a little bit big village, giving Dhamma talk. Before giving Dhamma talk, before teach the Dhamma talk, our Buddha, the outside people, a lot of karmic chanda, a lot of development, day by day, improve, increase about the phone, about the computer, about the car, aircon, or a lot of food, day by day increase. They like it, karmic chanda. That's why I don't want to practice Vipassana meditation. That's why our Buddha, before teaching meditation instruction, mentioned the benefit, 7 benefits of the Vipassana meditation. Ekayano ayam bhikkhave mekho. If you want to get the 7 kinds of the benefit of the meditation, you have to follow 4 foundations of the mindfulness. Only one way, ekayano, not branch, other way. Should be clearly understanding. Only 4 foundations of the mindfulness. We can say the same. A 4 noble path. Only one way, no other way. Should be clearly understanding. First benefit in Pali, Satana Visuddhiya. Purification of the being. Purification of the being. Should be clearly understanding. If you are practicing meditation according to the 8 Noble Path, according to the 4 foundations of the mindfulness, purification of your mind. Purification of your body. If you want to become a purification, your mind and body, you must follow according to the 8 Noble Path, according to the 4 foundations of the mindfulness. Second one and third one, Soka Bari Devanam Samadhikamaya. If you want to overcome sorrow and lamentation, you have to practice according to the 4 foundations of the mindfulness. Should be clearly understanding, no other medicine. Only 4 foundations of the mindfulness. If you want to overcome the sorrow and lamentation, in Pali called soka. For example, our mother, your mother, the age is nearly 14 or 16 or because of mother passed away. Oh, a lot of sorrow, a lot of lamentation, crying too much, day and night, 1 day, 2 days, not finished yet. You already understand Patachari, Gita Gautami. A lot of sorrow and lamentation. Soka and Parideva. Last 2 or 3 years ago, all over the world, you already understand. You already understand. All human beings all over the world, a lot of sorrow, soka, a lot of lamentation, Parideva. If you want to overcome, you have to practice according to the 4 foundations of the mindfulness. Number 4 and number 5. Dukkha Dhamana Sanam Athingamaya. Dukkha Dhamana Sanam Athingamaya. All of yogi, all of the human being, you already understand dukkha, pain, suffering, grief, mind suffering, a lot of suffer. Now also suffer, last 2 years ago, suffer. If you want to despair, if you want to overcome, should be practice meditation, should be observing morality. Without that morality, cannot overcome. First Dhamma talk, I already understand, I already Dhamma talk, Sile Patithaya. First, Sila, morality, you have to observe. And according to the 4 foundations of the mindfulness, systematically, very important. According to the instruction, according to the 4 foundations of the mindfulness, you have to practice. You can despair. You can overcome body pain and mind pain. Also can call the grief. And then number 6, Nyaya sa adhikamaya. If you want to reach, if you want to get a 4 noble path in Mecca, a 4 noble path, you have to practice according to the 4 foundations of the mindfulness. And then last one is Nibbana sa Dichi Kariyaya, realization of the Nibbana. If you want to get the Nibbana, you have to practice 4 foundations of the mindfulness, or including 7 benefits. You can understand one by one. First one is Sadhana Visuddhiya, very important. In Dhammapada also our Buddha giving Dhamma talk, Yoja Vasadadang Jive Abasang Udaya Bayan. Abasang Udaya Bayan. Abasang means is most of the human being blind person, cannot see anything, cannot see the the true order nature. Over 100 years, we cannot say benefit life, beneficial life, grateful life. We cannot say. Most of the people blind. Blind means is eye knowledge also cannot see the true order nature. 100 years, 18 years, 17 years, we cannot say grateful life. We cannot say beneficial life. And then second is Udaya Bayan. Udaya Bayan. Appear and despair. Appear and despair. Cannot see the true order nature. Cannot see the true order nature. 100 years, oh, so long. 18 years, oh, so long. How long or not? How much rich or not? How many powerful or not? We cannot say beneficial life. We cannot say the grateful life. Second paragraph is Ekaham Jividam Seyo. Ekaham, only one day. Only one day. According to the Velama Sutta, only one moment, 1 second, one flood of the light. Very grateful life, very grateful life. How to understand? Basando Udaya Bayan. Basando means can see your eye, the true order nature. You can see knowledge. Your knowledge can see the true order nature life. Only one day you can understand our life is very grateful life, very special life, very beneficial life. All of yogi, now you practice 2 days, 3 days. You are very grateful life. You are very special life. You are very beneficial life. You already understand. In Dhammapada, first one, Asana Visodhiya. First one, or the benefit. Purification of the being. Purification of the mind. Purification of the body. I want to mention Bhimisara story. Saminya Phala Sutta. Very interesting. They were there. Some yogi already understand. They were there, want to be Buddha. That's why they were there. I will kill Buddha and then become a Buddha. And then approach Asada the king. Asada now is our Buddha, nearly 70 years over. Our life is very short. If you want to become a king, you also should be kill your father. Oh, that's also true. Think about think about Ajata that to think about the wrong way. Oh, my father, how to kill because of father. Oh, never mind. Directly should not kill. You should rest into the jail without the food. Day by day, hungry. And then after that, your king, your father will be dying. After that, you will become a king. Because of attachment, want to be king. And then directly arrest, put into the jail. But Baimisara is Sotapanna, already practice meditation. His mind is mature. And then inside the jail, King Baimisara practice meditation. Sitting meditation, walking meditation, just beginning. Queen come to see some small food. Later on, not allowed to bring the food. And then just only walking meditation, sitting meditation, asks his father message. Oh, how was my father? Oh, your father inside the jail. Body is not slow down. Become a brighter and brighter, just normal. Very handsome. Oh, wonderful. Without the food. How do he stand? Oh, your father is just sitting meditation, walking meditation, all our yogi. We also should be understand this situation. Inside the jail, very small room, without the food. We also last 2 years situation like our Baimisara. Last 2 or 3 years, 2 years ago, all over the world, rest by the COVID-19 inside the jail. Inside the jail means your home, your office, your monastery, your country, all government not allowed to go out, not allowed to go to the market, just only stay home, washing the hand, so many announcements. At the time, we should be really understanding about Baimisara story. Just only very easy to state what a meditation, but most of the people don't know about the meditation, how to practice, how to understand. Most of the people don't know, but we are very easy. Very easy. And then, Baimisara, day by day practice and meditation. Deva Dada, Ajata Satu King. Oh, we can do the time. He won't hardly, shortly. But Baimisara just practice. And then want to get a message. Ask, how was my father? Oh, just practice. The body also normal, more beautiful, more handsome. Oh, how to stand? Just walking meditation, sitting meditation. Because of Sotapanna, his mind is mature. And then later on, if so, commander said to the father's soul in the middle, cut in by knife, and then put into the salt. Oh, a lot of suffer. After that, his father died. Also, he commit Pidukadaka, killing of the father. Very grateful akusala. One day, Ajadata king, the full moon day, in the deep forest, so many environment should be understanding that the king is a lot of queen, and a lot of environment, and seeing the sky. Sky is in the full moon day. Moon also very bright, no cloudy at the time, seeing the moon, and talk each other. Somebody, tonight the sky is very nice. And the full moon also very bright. The sky without the cloudy, oh, very nice. This night, tonight, I want to go to meet somebody. Which one is more better? Who is more better? I want to see the somebody. Most of the people, 6 kinds of ascetic. And then see, but not satisfied because of wrong way. Last one, Jivaka sent to the, oh, doesn't matter. I will send to the our Buddha. Should be, because of the time is so long. I want to explain benefits of the samana. Samana means is our monk life. First one, Ajadata to ask our Buddha, Buddha, I want to know in the present life, samana sukha. Samana sukha means is monk happiness. Monk happiness. Let me explain monk happiness, samana sukha. If so, I want to ask to you. For example, in our meditation center, a lot of worker. In the palace also, a lot of poor people, a lot of worker. Some poor people become a monk. Sent to the monastery, become a monk, and then you can ask. You can ask for the, for example, some clean the dining hall or whatever, washing the clothes, or can I ask to the monk? Oh, you should not ask because of monk. Likewise, our Buddha dispensation, some poor people, for example, like a beggar, some poor people become a monk, the same. The same is sila also the same. Sleeping room also the same. Color also the same. That's just present moment. Present moment benefits of the samana sukha. Should be clearly understanding as samana sukha. For example, yogi, you practice a meditation, come to the meditation center, and then you intensive retreat, practice a meditation in the Dhamma hall. No need to go to the market to buy the food. Because of all volunteer respect to the all of the yogi, all of the meditator, very honor and very respect. Because of you practice a meditation, you are yogi, meditator. That's called sukha, happiness. Also the same color, yogi uniform, and then white t-shirt, and then brown and longi, the same color. You cannot wear like outside, day by day, different color, different style. Oh, not enough, go to market. During an intensive retreat, don't need the same color. That's called the samana sukha. Also, cannot see like outside. You cannot see the movie, you cannot see the TV. Without the seeing, without the TV, without the car, oh, happiness. That's called samana sukha. Because of our mind, just only arms round. Because now is Indonesia, cannot arms round. Outside. In Myanmar, very easy. Just in the morning, keep the bowl, arms round. Just only 20 minutes, 30 minutes, oh, can get for the breakfast, for the lunch. Easily, that's called samana sukha. Just in the present moment, can get a result. Yogi also should be really understanding about the samana sukha. Because of yogi duty is have to follow to the schedule. Wake at early morning, according to the schedule. Also, note in mind, as much as non-stop should be practiced. Because of the full load supported for the lunch, for the breakfast, for the juice, for the electric, for the water, for the cleaning. Oh, I also have to honor. I also have to respect to the worker. I also have to respect volunteer. How to feedback? Very important. Your duty is sitting meditation according to the instruction. Just note it, your object, mind and matter should be respectfully. That's yogi duty. Okay, meditation according to the teacher instruction, you have to follow. That's kind of feedback is correct way. Should be more carefully. If you practice a meditation carefully, you get a result, you will understand. Oh, the teacher is good. And then our volunteer is good. And then our worker is good. You will really understand it. That's why should be honor all of our environment. For example, the yogi, such also no need. Just only volunteer. They will support you. After that, Ajahn became very happy. And then next question. Our Buddha let me know one more result of the Samana Sukha. Okay, they have. The second one is Sila, morality. Should be understanding. If you are observing morality, 9 precepts, including Metta, Sahakatena, Jidada, Savabana Buddhesu, Paritawa, Viharana, Samadhiyami. You observing sometimes. You observing loving kindness. May I be well, happy, and peaceful. May all of human beings be well and peaceful. Oh, our mind is very calm, very peaceful. Very peaceful means is without evil. Now I explain the loving kindness. And then Sila is Kaya. Kaya means a body. And then mouth, speech. And then mind. If you are observing the Sila, you get in Pali called Anavaja Sukha. In Pali called Anavaja Sukha. Anavaja Sukha means is without the evil happiness. Should be clearly understanding Anavaja Sukha without evil happiness. For example, we already observing the Panadipada, not allowed to killing. We observing killing. We didn't kill. That's why not harm the other, not disturb the other. Somebody kill me, we doesn't like. You doesn't like. That's why other people, other person, other human being also afraid of the death. That's why we didn't harm the other. During the meditation time, we noted rising, falling, rising, falling. You respectfully noted already completely 9 precepts. 9 precepts. No harm other. No disturbance other. That's why this pure mind, purification mind, later on, you will be really understanding. Our mind is brighter and brighter, lighter and lighter. You will be understand. But just beginning, you have to follow according to the instruction. According to the instruction. The teacher say, details should be noted. After finish sitting meditation, you should detail the finish. I think not so many yogi detail. I teach open the eye, closing the eye, should be very carefully, should be detailed. During the interview time, nobody report. I don't know they know the detail or not. Should be very carefully. You have to honor all the volunteer. You have to honor. You have to respect. You are noting mind very carefully. The time is very carefully. Most of the yogi want to improve meditation. Why? Cannot see clearly. Abdomen rising, falling, rise there, less there. But forgot all. Not detail. Should be reason. When I was in intensive retreat in the forest center, I interviewed with Sayadaw U Jatila. Most of the time I interview a little bit so long because of I practice diligently, very hardly. Sometimes the break time also. Break time also. After take a bath, mindfully. During the take a bath also mindfully. After take a bath, you're not lying down. Just only cross leg. Noting that rising, falling, because of, I want to know rising and falling clearly. Just only sitting meditation, rising and falling. After that finish lunch, not lying down, just only research. Research means is noting, rising, falling, and then during the sleeping at the night time, also rising, falling. During the interview time, I report Sayadaw sitting meditation, what or how, and then sometimes standing meditation, I know the rising, falling, what or how, and then in the sleeping, I know the rising, falling, what or how, and then after I wake up. But just beginning difficult. Difficult means is a forgot. Day by day, trying, rising, falling. Oh, later on, rising, falling is very interesting. Very interesting. Amazingly, a lot of happiness come out. Next time I talk, I will explain. I will explain PD, 5 kinds of happiness. Very interesting. Meditation experience is very interesting. But if you want to get very interesting, amazingly interesting, you have to follow. You have to honor. You are noting mind. For example, me is in our meditation center. Pandita Sayadaw. That one of the yogi, because of my friend father, take a meditation 1 month. Sayadaw walking, and then face to face. After that, just only sitting down, bow down the 3 times. And then, Sayadaw U Nandaka should be explained the yogi situation. No need to pay respect to me. Very important thing, you are noting my should be understanding clearly. Should be our yogi also should be clearly understanding. Our Pandita Sayadaw say, no need to respect to me in the way. Should be honor, should be respectfully you are noting my. Because of very important, concentration is very important. Okay, the time is up. All our yogi should be clearly understanding, should be good feedback. You are noting my for the all of volunteer and then all of the worker and then all of the student. More carefully, you are noting my sitting meditation and then walking meditation and then daily activity. Noting mind is very important. Sometimes difficult. Difficult means is depends on the effort. If you want to easy, you have to face the difficult. Practice is make perfect. All of yogis should be practice according to the Eightfold Noble Path and then according to the schedule. Day by day, you practice a meditation and then your concentration improve more and more and then attain the Nibbana. That's all for tonight.
Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.